Have you ever seen a candle that looks like fire trapped inside ice? Today, I'm going to show you how to make these magical ice cube candles using gel wax. They are surprisingly easy to make and so fun to look at. But there are a few important safety tips to know first. So grab a cozy drink and let's get started. For this project, you'll need a silicone mold shaped like ice cubes. Please don't use plastic, it can melt. Candle wicks and a wick trimmer or scissors. A thermometer, a digital one is the best. A candle pouring pot and hot plate. An awl or even chopstick to poke the hole. Aluminum foil is optional to protect your hot plate surface. And of course, gel wax or candle gel. Start by tearing your gel wax into smaller pieces so it melts evenly. Place the piece into your pouring pot and heat them over a hot plate. I recommend covering your hot plate with aluminum foil to protect the surface. Gel wax is super sticky and it's easy to drip a little by accident. Once it's scorched, it's really hard to clean off. Now, important note, gel wax melt at around 98 Celsius, which is a lot harder than soy wax. So don't use a double boiler, just direct heat on low to medium. And always keep an eye on the temperature. Safety first. Once fully melted and smooth, carefully pour the gel into your silicone mold. Make sure you're only using silicone molds. Never use plastic molds for this project because the hot gel wax can melt or warp them. Because gel wax melts at a higher temperature than other waxes, it's important to let it cool a bit before pouring. If you pour it too hot, it can cause bubbles or shrinkage as it sets. Aim for around 85 Celsius when pouring for a smoother finish. Let it set and cool down completely. This part can take a while, so be patient. The result is worth it.
A few moments later.
Once the candle has fully cooled, use an awl or a chopstick, if that's what you have, to poke a hole right into the center while it's still in the mold. It's much easier to pierce the gel this way without squishing or denting the candle. Then, gently peel back the edges of the mold. It should pop right out. Sometimes you might notice a few little empty spots or bubbles in your candle. This is totally normal with gel candles since the gel is thicker and traps air more easily. If you want, you can gently tap the mold right after pouring to help bubbles to rise to the surface. Also, pouring slowly and carefully helps minimize those spots. But honestly, those tiny imperfections add the charm and then make each candle uniquely yours. One of the coolest thing about gel wax is it is crystal clear transparency. Unlike soy or paraffin, gel let you embed decorate items like glitter, dried flower, or small charms inside your candle. Just make sure whatever you add is safe to burn. Now it's time to insert the wick. You can use any type of candle wick, but I recommend using a pre-tabbed wick, the kind with a little metal base, because it's easier to handle and stays in place better. Quick safety reminder, gel wax burns hotter than other waxes, so always keep this candle inside while burning on a heat-safe surface and never leave them unattended. Once the wax is in, just trim it down to about half an inch or the 1 to 1.5 centimeter above the surface. And that's it. Your ice cube candle is ready to light. Look how magical that is! Like a flame trap in a crystal clear ice. It's cute, fun to make, and sure to impress in your full season. I hope you enjoyed this fun little project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and light your life with intention. Thank you for watching and see you next time.